Rowlett homeowners know that storm season can bring heavy rain, strong winds, and sudden weather shifts. When storms roll in, your windows are one of the first lines of defense protecting your home's interior. If your current windows are older, drafty, or poorly sealed, they may not be equipped to handle severe conditions. Weather-resistant slider windows are designed to provide durability, protection, and year-round comfort, making them a smart choice for homes in Rowlett. Built to withstand strong winds, slider windows open horizontally along a reinforced track system. Modern weather-resistant models are engineered with sturdy frames and tightly fitted sashes that remain secure when locked. High-quality slider windows are tested for wind resistance and structural performance. In Rowlett, where thunderstorms can produce strong gusts, reinforced vinyl or fiberglass frames help maintain stability and reduce the risk of warping or shifting. When closed and locked properly, slider windows create a tight seal that stands up to wind pressure. Advanced sealing to prevent water intrusion. Heavy rain can expose weaknesses in poorly installed or aging windows. Water intrusion can cause interior damage, mold growth, and long-term structural issues. Weather-resistant slider windows feature multi-layer weather-stripping precision-fitted frames, enhanced drainage systems. These components work together to channel water away from the window opening and prevent leaks. Proper installation ensures flashing and sealants are correctly applied, providing additional protection during Rowlett's intense downpours. Impact-resistant glass options. Storm debris is a major concern during severe weather events. Many weather-resistant slider windows are available with laminated or impact-resistant glass. This type of glass is designed with multiple bonded layers. If struck by debris, it may crack but will remain intact instead of shattering. This helps maintain the structural integrity of your home and reduces the risk of dangerous glass fragments entering your living space. For Rowlett homeowners seeking added protection, impact-resistant glass provides valuable peace of mind. Energy efficiency. For all seasons, weather-resistant slider windows don't just protect during storms, they also improve comfort throughout the year. Modern units often include double or triple pane glass. Argon gas fills between panes. Low emissivity coatings. These features reduce heat transfer, helping keep cool air inside during hot Texas summers and preventing heat loss during colder months. Because slider windows seal tightly when closed, they help eliminate drafts and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Durable frame materials. Choosing the right frame material is essential for storm durability. Vinyl frames resist moisture, won't rot, and require minimal maintenance. Fiberglass frames offer exceptional strength and dimensional stability, making them highly resistant to temperature fluctuations. Both materials perform well in Rowlett's changing weather conditions and provide long-term reliability. Smooth operation. Even after storms, older windows often stick or become difficult to operate after exposure to heavy rain and humidity. Modern slider windows feature corrosion-resistant hardware and improved track systems that resist buildup and maintain smooth movement. This ensures your windows continue functioning properly long after the storm has passed. Professional installation is key. Even the most weather-resistant window won't perform effectively without expert installation. Proper alignment, insulation, and sealing are critical to preventing air and water leaks. Working with experienced professionals ensures your slider windows are securely fitted and fully prepared to handle Rowlett's storm conditions. A smart upgrade for Rowlett Homes' weather-resistant slider windows combine durability, energy efficiency, and ease of use, making them an ideal choice for Rowlett homeowners. By investing in reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and professional installation, you protect your home against storm damage while enhancing comfort year-round. When the next storm arrives, you'll have confidence knowing your windows are built to perform.